First of all, we have to correct or check your homework. Okay, yesterday you had to do page 41, and today we're going to check it. Do you have your pencils in your hand? Take your pencils, take your rubbers, take your color pencils, your favorite color, and I'm going to take blue, which is my favorite color, and let's start. This activity said, listen, you don't need to listen, and circle the invertebrate animals, the invertebrates. I'm going to take my favorite color, blue, and I'm going to circle the invertebrate. Is the cow an invertebrate? No, it is vertebrate. It has got a backbone. Look at this. Is this jellyfish a vertebrate or an invertebrate? Excellent, it's invertebrate, so we have to circle it. Right? So if you have it, okay, please tick it. Look at this butterfly here. Is it a vertebrate or an invertebrate? Perfect, it's invertebrate. It hasn't got a backbone, so we have to circle it. If you have it, okay, tick it with your favorite color. Look at this little dog. Do you think this is vertebrate or invertebrate? Superb. This is vertebrate, so you don't have to circle it. No circle. Look at this crab. Is this crab vertebrate or invertebrate? Well done, it's invertebrate. It hasn't got a backbone, so we circle it. If you have it, okay, please tick it with your favorite color. Look at this dangerous snake. Oh dear, it's quite dangerous. And is it vertebrate or invertebrate? It's vertebrate, so you don't need to circle it. Fantastic, only 3. The jellyfish, the butterfly, and the crab. Excellent. And if you have everything okay, you can draw a happy face with your favorite color. Well done. Let's continue with the next activity. And this is the next activity. It says, can you remember? It says, can you remember? Classify the animals. Okay, let's see the cats. Is the cat a domestic or a wild animal? Remember that domestic is an animal that lives in a house or in a farm, and a wild animal is an animal that lives in the forest, in the desert, in the sea, or wherever except a house or a farm. Alright? So a cat is domestic or wild? Well done. A cat is a domestic animal. So if you have it, okay, tick it with your favorite color. Look at the fox. Is the fox a domestic or a wild animal? A wild animal. You don't have a fox in your house. So tick it. Hen. Is the hen a domestic or a wild animal? Very good, children. A hen is a domestic animal that lives in a farm. So tick it if you have it correct. What about a badger? Is it domestic or wild animal? It's a wild animal. A badger doesn't live in a house or in a farm. butter. And ticket. Sorry for my handwriting. Next one is tiger. Is a tiger a wild or a domestic animal? It's a wild animal. A tiger is a very wild animal. Fantastic. Ticket if you have it, okay. And finally, a horse. Is a horse a domestic or a wild animal? It's amazing. A horse is a domestic animal. It was easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it? Alright. So if you have everything correct, please draw a happy face here. With your favorite color? Yes, with your favorite color. Now we're going to play to remember everything in the unit, alright? So the first thing is this. We're going to be mini teachers, like this owl here. Can you see the owl? Oops, sorry. Can you see the owl in here? You are going to be a mini teacher. Are you ready? Go. Here you've got vertebrates and invertebrates, but not all of them are correct. Some are correct and some are incorrect. Okay? Some are true, correct, and some are false, incorrect. For example, is this polar bear vertebrate or invertebrate? It's vertebrate, so it is correct. It is a vertebrate animal. So, tick it. It's perfect. Look at this. This clam here. Is this clam vertebrate? No. Clams haven't got a backbone, so this is invertebrate. Look at this ant. Is this ant a vertebrate? Really? No way. It's not a vertebrate. It hasn't got a backbone. So it is an invertebrate. And what about this clownfish? Is it vertebrate or invertebrate? It's vertebrate. Fantastic. It has got a backbone here. So it is correct. Oh, I cannot wrap this out. Anyway, you tick it. It's correct. And now let's see the invertebrates, alright? Is this crab invertebrate? Yes or no? Yes, so it's correct. It hasn't got a backbone. Is this frog an invertebrate or is it incorrect? It's incorrect. A frog is a vertebrate, so it should go in this part. Look at the parrot. Is a parrot an invertebrate? No, it's a vertebrate. So it should be in this part. And the snail, is it invertebrate? Yes, so it is correct. Do you want to see the solution? Yes, do you want to see it all correct? Look, this is the solution. The polar bear, the frog, the parrot, and the fish, the clownfish, are vertebrates. And the crab, the clam, the ant, and the snail are invertebrates. Right? Well done! Let's continue the revision. Oh, now you have the 5 types of vertebrates. And here you've got 5 animals. And you've got to put them in the correct place. We've got a goldfish, we've got a frog, an owl, snake, and a zebra. Alright? And now we've got to divide it into mammal, bird, amphibian, reptile, and fish. There is a problem. I am going to do it, but it's not going to be correct. Look, I wrote here owl, I wrote here goldfish, I wrote here frog, I wrote here snake, and I wrote here zebra. But is it correct? Let's see. You are the teacher, okay? Let's see the owl. Is the owl a mammal? No. Is the owl a bird? Yes, they have got feathers and they're born from eggs. So they are, and now is a bird. Oh my God. Is the goldfish a bird? Is the goldfish a bird? Really? No. Is the goldfish an amphibian? No. Is the goldfish a reptile? No. They have scales, but they are not reptiles. And is the goldfish a fish? Sorry, not a zebra. Is the goldfish a fish? Yes. Fantastic. Oh, better like this. Goldfish is a fish. Look at the frog now. The frog, I wrote that it was an amphibian. Is it correct or not? Yes, a frog is an amphibian. Well done. I did something good. And look at this. I wrote that the snake was a reptile. Was it correct? Yes, a snake is a reptile. Well done, children. And what about the zebra? Here. I wrote that the zebra is a fish. The zebra is a fish? Is a zebra a fish? No, really, the zebra is a mammal. Oops. Alright, do you want to see the correct classification? Right here you've got the correct classification. The zebra is a mammal, the owl is a bird, the frog is an amphibian, the snake is a reptile, and the goldfish is a fish. Fantastic! Thank you for helping me. Then finally, there is an activity that I would like you to do with me. Can you see the picture here? Can you see the picture? You can see a butterfly, you can see a pig, you can see chicks here and chicks here, you can see a hen, you can see a sheep, you can see 2 cows, 1 horse, 2 horses, and a girl. Now, let's read the questions, alright? They say, where are the animals? Where are the animals? Are they in a house? Are the animals in a farm? Are the animals in a river? In a cliff? In a valley? Are the animals in a plateau? They are in a farm. Well said, it would be they are on a farm. Fantastic. So, how many chicks are there? How many chicks? 1, 2, 3. How many chicks? Do you want to count them? Let's count the chicks. 1, 2, 3. Help me. 4, 5, and 6 chicks. So there are 6 chicks. Oops. I rubbed out farm. Right. And now let's read this. Let's see. What's the girl doing? What is the girl doing? This girl. She's riding. What's she riding? What is this animal she's riding on? She's riding a horse. Well done. She's riding a horse. Good job. Next activity. Where is the hen? Look at the hen. The hen it's on what is this? It's on a, very good. You remember. It's on a rock. 1 rock, 2 rocks, 3 rocks, 4. Very good. And which wild animal can you see? They are all domestic animals, but there is one wild animal. Is the horse a wild animal? No. Is the pig a wild animal? No, it isn't. Is this cow a wild animal? No, it isn't. Is this butterfly a wild animal? Yes, it is. So, butterfly. It's very difficult to write on here. Butterfly. Very good. Look at this. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Well done. Now here you've got 2 pages that you have to do in your house to review. Alright? They are page 82 and page 83. I am going to explain the activities for you, alright? You will do it really well, I'm sure. Activity 1 of page 82. It says circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Is it a jellyfish? And you have to circle yes it is or no it isn't. Is it a bird? Is it a bird? Yes it is or no it isn't. Is it a fish? Is it a fish? Please circle yes it is or no it isn't. Okie dokie. Now activity number 2. It's really easy. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. You've got to write have got or haven't got. Look at this. Is this jellyfish a vertebrate or an invertebrate? So you have to say if they have got a skeleton or a backbone. Here they would better refer to a backbone, okay? It's more correct. Or not, alright? You have to trace have got or haven't got. Only trace the correct one. And look at this blowfish. I have got or haven't got. You have to choose it, okay? Now let's go to the next page. And here you've got activity number 1. It says write the correct word under each picture. There are 4 words. Swim, slither, walk, and fly. And you've got to say the way they move. The snake, the dolphin, the bat, the seal, the cat, and this wasp. Or bee, I think it's a bee. So you've got to say if they can swim, if they can slither, if they can walk, or if they can fly. And write it in here, in the correct place. Alright? You will do it really well. And finally, you've got this activity. This is listen and color. You've got this picture with animals and a landscape, and you've got to listen and color. The audio file will be on my blog, and you can listen to it from there. Alright? So this is all. I hope that everything goes well, and bye bye, crocodile.